Tip 1. Soy marinated eggs. First, I prepared 8 fresh eggs. Next, I placed a pot on the stove and poured in about 1 liter of water. I added 1 teaspoon of salt, gave it a quick stir, and brought the water to a boil. Once the water was gently bubbling, I carefully lowered the eggs into the pot one by one using tongs. The water has settled after adding the eggs, so I'll wait for it to come back to a gentle boil. I boiled the eggs for just 4 to 5 minutes after the water came back to a boil. This is the perfect amount of time to achieve a beautifully soft and creamy center. As soon as the 5 minutes were up, I transferred the eggs directly into a bowl of cold water. This quick ice bath stops the cooking process and makes the shells much easier to peel. I let the eggs sit in the cold water for about 5 minutes. While waiting, I peeled and diced 1 medium onion, Next, I washed and finely chopped a few green onions. Don't be afraid to add plenty of green onions. They bring a wonderful aroma and make the dish look even more vibrant. I also finely chopped 2 chili peppers for a gentle spicy kick. Then I prepared a small piece of ginger, slicing it thinly to add a warm, fragrant note. Finally, I sliced 4 cloves of garlic, which will infuse the marinade with rich flavor. By now, the eggs had cooled completely. I removed them from the cold water and carefully peeled away the shells. Thanks to the ice bath, the shells came off very easily, leaving the eggs smooth and intact. Once peeled, I placed all of the eggs into a large container with a lid. Next, I prepared the marinade. I combined 150 milliliters of water, 180 milliliters of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of gochujang. I stirred everything together until the sugar dissolved completely, creating a rich and perfectly balanced sweet and savory sauce. Returning to the eggs, I poured the marinade over them until they were fully submerged. Then I added the onion, chili peppers, green onions. Next, add the sliced garlic, followed by the ginger slices, allowing their rich aromas to infuse the marinade with even more depth and flavor. Using a spoon, I gently stirred everything together so the flavors could blend and evenly coat the eggs. Finally, I sealed the container and placed it in the refrigerator. For the best flavor, the eggs should marinate for at least 24 hours. In my experience, however, they taste even better after 2 to 3 days. When the seasoning has fully penetrated the eggs, the longer they sit, the more delicious they become. After 3 days of marinating, I took the container out of the refrigerator and slowly opened the lid. Instantly, a rich and irresistible aroma filled the entire room. The eggs had absorbed all the flavors of the soy sauce, turning into a beautiful deep brown color that looked absolutely mouth-watering. I carefully removed them from the container and arranged them neatly on a serving plate. The soft, jammy yolk in the center was perfectly cooked, while the egg white had soaked up all the savory flavors of the sauce. Just looking at the glossy eggs and the rich golden yolk is enough to make anyone hungry. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. I'd love to know where you're watching from. It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. Tip 2. Cheesy egg bread. First, I prepared 4 slices of bread. I drizzled a little ketchup over each slice and used a knife to spread it evenly, making sure the entire surface was covered. Next, I took a few slices of ham, cut them into bite-sized pieces, and arranged them evenly over 2 slices of bread so the filling covered the whole surface. Now it's time for the cheese, the essential ingredient that makes this recipe extra irresistible. I grated some cheese and sprinkled it generously over the ham. As it melts, the cheese brings all the ingredients together and adds a rich, creamy flavor. Then, I placed the remaining 2 slices of bread on top, creating 2 complete sandwiches. I gently pressed down with my hands to help the layers stick together. I transferred the sandwiches to a baking pan. For the topping, I cracked 1 egg into a large bowl and whisked it until smooth. Next, I diced 100 grams of cheese and added it to the beaten egg. I then washed and finely diced half an onion and added it to the bowl as well. Using a spoon, I mixed everything together thoroughly. Then I spooned the egg, cheese, and onion mixture over the top of each sandwich, spreading it evenly across the surface. Meanwhile, I gently shaped a small hollow in the center of the mixture, creating a perfect nest right in the middle. To make the sandwiches even more eye-catching, I gently placed 1 yolk in the center of each sandwich. These golden yolks create a beautiful and delicious centerpiece. Once everything is ready, I carefully place the pan into the oven. And bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. When the baking time was up, the bread was lightly crisp around the edges, the cheese had melted beautifully, and the eggs were cooked just right with soft, creamy yolks in the center. The finished result is an incredibly delicious cheesy egg bread, golden, rich, and packed with flavor and nutrition. Which recipe impressed you more? The light and fluffy potato eggs, or the convenient and irresistible baked egg sandwiches? Give them a try and let me know how they turned out in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your results. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to me and inspires me to keep creating more easy and delicious cooking tips every day. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.